to keep his family fed. And then one day he was shooting at some food, and up through the ground come a bubbling crude oil, that is black.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains and oil gains is what we're talking about today. What's going on, guys? Quick little video talking about opportunities in some stocks that I've been kind of eyeballing, looking around. So I kind of started this whole thing, looking at oil stocks. I got on Yahoo and I saw a lot of these ETFs. You had WTI and crude and this and that. There are a couple good buys in stocks from what I've researched. Now, let me preference this with, I'm not a stock analyst or financial broker. I'm just simply trying to get a little bag of some of this action where there's some upside. Now, based on the videos I've watched, the ETFs are very risky. Most of them fudge their numbers and falsify their earnings. And the worst part is when the futures went negative last week, some of these ETFs were doing reverse splits, totally screwing the holders. I saw one did a 3,000 to 1 reverse split, and this is an attempt to boost the price. So with that being said, it doesn't look like the actual owning of oil right now, unless you're a more advanced trader. There wasn't a lot of good picks. The only one I came up with was ZOM. And if you go from the all-time high, this is ExxonMobil, it's down about 50%. Now, watching some more of the more advanced people talk about this, they said a lot of the numbers looked really good, PE, this, that, their earnings, that ExxonMobil was a solid stock. The problem was I was looking for something budget where I could make some solid gains upward without, I didn't want to drop a lot. I was only going to get about $500 worth, and if I did ExxonMobil, I'd have like 22 shares. So I was trying to find something under 10 bucks, and what I found was DHT Holdings. Now it is already up quite a bit since the beginning. If we go to the 1 month, you can see this baby bottom down there around 6, and it's trading at 8.39. Now, where is, that I don't do things unless there's some chance for some mega gains. First, let's talk about what they are. What DHT, as in Tom, is an oil tanker company. So let's zoom in on this. Owns and operates crude oil tankers in Monaco, Singapore, Oslo, and Norway. They had 27 very large carriers with 8 million plus deadweight tons. So basically there's all this oil and there's nowhere to put it. So this basically puts DHT in a good position. Now, you just saw it pop up on the notification in the corner. Oil is going down more. And like I said, this is related to the fact that they have all this oil and there's nowhere to put it. So what better place to put it than a tanker? Well, yeah. So let's look at the chart. Now let's zoom out on this baby to the max and have a look. This thing hit, let's see, what's the max? Over $200 back in 07. As you can see, it's just pretty much plummeted. Now if you look at the chart now, you see volume picking up on Yahoo. On the summary, all the analysts are saying $12 this, that it's undervalued like all the way to the left. So yeah, so DHT, oil tankers, nowhere to put the oil. This is a commodity that is in high demand to store your oil. So, and I guess they've had awesome dividends, and it's cheap. It's under $10, and it's actually, you're not actually buying the oil, you're buying somebody that does storage of oil. But overall, I thought that this is a good risk to reward for something if you're wanting to get in on an energies trade. And like I said, I normally am all crypto. I typically don't get stocks, but I think this one has a lot of potential. Hope you liked today's video. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.